So Gary, I read very recently that traditional dry cleaners are becoming banned in California.
Yeah, there's a total ban in 2020, I believe, but it has been being phased out for several years now. You haven't been able to open a traditional dry cleaners, and as time goes on, they've just been phasing them out and replacing them with more environmental things.
So what's the reason? Why are they actually banning them?
Well, they get most of their water from the wells, and they've found that through the pollution through the ground, it has actually got into the water table and is in the wells, so in their drinking water table.
And so it's in their water table basically.
Yep.
And this is as we talked about in a previous video, this is a major health risk in the California area.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. And I understand that they're partially banning dry cleaners throughout the rest of the United States. In fact, the same time frame?
Yeah, that's 2020 as well. That's in residential areas. They're banning dry cleaners. Any machines over 15 years old, you've got to get rid of.
Okay. So basically, they're moving them all out to industrial estates?
Yeah.
Okay. Away from people with kids and mothers and,
exactly, yeah.
and so on and so forth. Okay. So if America is taking these big steps to clean up their act, why aren't we doing the same in the UK?
It seems to be mainly left to the industry itself trying to find replacements and deal with it. There's a lot of government sort of red tape with permits and to keep an eye on everything. You have to, all the waste has to be all certificated and everything nowadays. But apart from that, politically they haven't really done anything.
Okay. So there's no political will to make a change?
Not really. No.
Okay.
So come to Maurice Eco Cleaners for your eco cleaning in Sutton.